Yo, today I'll be working on this illustration using these Parkoo markers that I got for free. Thanks to the people at Parkoo. They reached out, they hit me up via email, they said, hey, I have a 36 pack of assorted permanent markers that we will send you if you do a video review for our product on Amazon. And I was like, I'll do it on YouTube, and maybe I'll post it to Amazon, whatever. Regardless, I was down because free markers, bro. Never used these before, never heard of them. Without further ado, let's get into the illustration. So as an up-and-coming artist, I was too hyped that the day had come where someone gave me some art supplies for free and only asked that I do a review for them. I was like, yo, does that mean I'm popping now? But no, honestly, as a normal human being, I think getting free stuff is never not exciting, so I was just ready to try these as soon as I got them. With that said, I started to brainstorm what I could draw that would be good for a video and that would allow me to use a variety of the colors, because I obviously wasn't going to do a piece that used all 36 colors, but I wanted to see how they turn out. So I thought, let me bring back an old character of mine named Trillbean, who will be, of course, making his debut in my and not my on again, off again, but my like work in progress comic book. He is a monster, evil guy that will be, you know, somebody that the main character might have to fight at some point. Anywho, that's just a little backstory on Trillbean. Mindless monster, you know, fantasy, I guess, inspiration there, and I just thought I'll be able to use some reds, I'll be able to use some pinks, I'll be able to use some blues and, you know, greens, maybe do a what's it called, like a grassy middle of nowhere background, and just get into it. And that's what I did. Now when it comes to the markers, they're built like Sharpies, but the way they flow, I guess, the colors come out, I guess, that when they're wet they look different, and then when they dry the color kind of changes, which, you know, people assume most of the time with any markers, but with these specifically it was really noticeable with certain colors where like a yellow almost looked mustard and then it dried a little brighter or darker. So I mean, just from using them, I'd say they're probably a step above Sharpies for illustrating. I'm a Copic guy. I know, you know, but with that said, I still like mix in Prismacolors with my Copics, and I could probably see myself mixing in some of these colors in my works as well. In terms of how my character turned out using these markers, I must say I'm pretty happy. I liked how they blended together. It seems like I was able to create a similar effect as I would have with Copics or Prismacolors. It's just my only thing is that I love markers that have brush tips. They just do it for me, you know. Maybe you like the pointy tip a little more, or the chisel tip a little more, but these weren't bad. Like, I could see myself continuing to use these for like some of my sketchbook illustrations, and maybe just incorporating them along with my Copics. But for the most part, with this one, I started off with the gray tones, and then I layered on top the red tones that I was going for, and I was very satisfied with the turnout. The background here is just an area I struggled with, and that had nothing to do with the markers. If anything, that was me kind of struggling to figure out which blues to use, and usually I test out the blues to see which ones blend well together, and in this case I kind of just went for it without testing them. Again, it's something I do carelessly with Copics because I'm just so familiar with the colors and how they look before and after they dry. So I was just playing with different ones, at some point it just looked a little bit like some of the blues were a little more on the teal and the sea green, sea blue side, as opposed to like the sky blue that I was going for. And you'll see by the end of this stage I just gray out the background and I'm just like, alright, I'm going for dark. It's going to be nighttime because these didn't blend the way I wanted them to. And again, that's no fault to the Parkoo markers. It was just I was having trouble figuring out the blue tones here. But yeah, all in all, I'd say a solid option for my up and coming artists out there that are looking for an affordable, marker choice. And let's see, this 36 pack was actually $10.99 on Amazon, and they do offer Amazon Prime. I guess their list price is $13.99, but right now they have them on sale. So I will link their product in the description of the video. And major announcement here. Your boy finally decided to sign up to be an Amazon affiliate. So I've got hella Amazon affiliate links for all the products that I've used in various, I guess, art projects that you've seen on this channel. These affiliate links will be in the description, and if you buy any of the products that I use through those links, your boy gets a very small, percentage. So help me out. I'm trying to expand these streams of revenue out here. I'm trying to make it. So help your boy out. Click one of those links if you're shopping for any of the items that you see listed. And another interesting link you might see in the description is my very first art book, Muddy Sketches Volume 1. That's right, your boy assembled a handful, more than a handful, about 40 illustrations and sketches from last year, put them together, put it into a book format, and released it through Amazon. It's available on Amazon.com for $9.99 for the physical copy. There is a Kindle digital copy for $3.99, I believe. But go get the physical. I know you want it on your coffee table, so what you doing? Go get that. Support your boy. It's only going to help me do it bigger and better next year. This is going to be an annual tradition where I'm just going to assemble all of the, sketches, in progress sketches, sketches turned illustrations, and so on and so forth into a book at the end of the year, because why not? It's a cheap and easy way to support me and for you to be a collector, I guess, of my work. And it's just a good way. It's like a time capsule for the year. So that's kind of why I wanted to do it. This year I'm shooting to assemble and create a book with double the pages. But for now, get the 2019 edition, yo. It's volume 1. In 5 years, hit me up if you collected all 5. Like, I want to meet you. I want to do something to celebrate you for supporting me. So with that said, I'm going to just stop talking at this moment, stop promoting, let you guys enjoy the rest of the illustration process, and I'll check in with you at the end. And there you have it. Trilbean is done. He's looking great. He's looking clean. He's looking deranged. Thanks to these Parkoo markers that came out very vibrant in the end. If you feeling them, get you a set, a 36 for $10.99. The link is in my description below. Again, thank you for tuning in. Go get that book, and all of my important links are in the description as well. Stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more videos. I know there's some videos I mentioned previously that I still owe you guys. I'm working on them, so bear with me. Till next time, peace.